I hear this all the time. Do degrees really matter when hiring? The truth, skills matter more than ever. Research shows that companies embracing skills-based hiring see 27% higher retention rates and more engaged employees. Traditional hiring methods often eliminate talented candidates simply because they don't have a specific degree. But what if someone has hands-on experience, certifications, and a proven track record in the industry? That's where skills-based hiring comes in. Take the tech industry as an example. Some of the most successful software engineers never earned computer science degrees. Instead, they learned through coding bootcamps, hands-on projects, and real-world problem solving. By focusing on skills rather than credentials, companies can tap into a larger, more diverse talent pool. At Qtalent Solutions, we help businesses shift to a skills-first hiring model, ensuring they find the best talent based on actual ability, not just a piece of paper. Ready to future-proof your hiring strategy? Follow us for more expert insights, like and share.